Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel English Raju. In this video, we are going to discuss past perfect versus simple past. Most of the people, they are not aware in what condition we need to use past perfect, in what condition do we need to use simple past, because mostly they are similar. Mostly they are similar. So today in this video we are going to get complete clarity between these two. Where should we use past perfect? Where should we use simple past? So without wasting your time, we are going to start the topic. But before that, please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe for more videos. Now first, past perfect. It gives the meaning of completed work. That means here, if you wanted to speak any one of your completed works, if you wanted to speak any one of your completed works, that is past perfect. Past perfect means completed work in the past time. Try to understand. Past perfect means completed work in the past time. And the structure is very simple. Helping verb had plus V3. Helping verb had plus V3. Subject plus helping verb had plus V3 plus object plus complementary. That means here, I had reached my goal. Just imagine it is an example. I had reached my goal. Negative. I hadn't reached my goal. Question. Had I reached my goal? Had I reached my goal? So this is the general structure which we use for past perfect. And I hope you have remembered the simple past. Already we explained in the past video. Simple past means completed work and the structure is V2 form. The structure is V2 form. Here is an example. They cleaved it into pieces. They cleaved it into pieces. So as we have V2 form here, we need to think it is a simple past. Same example, they had cleaved it into pieces. Both examples are different. It is simple past, it is past perfect. Now the question starts. What is the difference between these two? Simple past indicating completed work in the past time. Past perfect indicating completed work in the past time. Then what is the difference here? First, here are two conditions. First condition, communication, general speaking. Second condition, written, academics, examination. So first we shall discuss the communication. Generally, in what condition do we need to use the simple past and past perfect? Let me tell you clearly. Work was done recently. Yesterday, day before yesterday, or 1 week ago, 1 month ago, and still the result is there in our mind. A little result. That means we are thinking a little. Then simple past. No, the work was completed long ago. Long ago. Then past perfect. Suppose I completed my nursery. I can say, because still I feel that nursery. I had completed my nursery, because later that I had completed many of the academics. Try to understand. While using the tenses, if you wanted to speak the action which was completed long ago, past perfect. I had completed. Just completed work. Completed, that's all. Then I completed. I had completed long ago. Oldest. I completed, okay, completed. This is a general usage. Then what about the examination? Generally, nowadays we are using only simple past tense. Generally we are using only simple past tense. We are not maximum using the past perfect. We are not maximum using the past perfect. Then, in what condition we are using past perfect? Only one condition. That condition is mentioned over here. If you wanted to speak two completed actions at a time, if you wanted to speak two completed actions at a time, the first completed action is the past perfect, second completed action is the simple past. Try to understand. Past perfect, simple past, both are similar because both give the meaning of completed work, but simple past is older completed, past perfect is oldest completed. That's the difference between these two. So while communicating with others, there is no problem. While communicating with others, there is no problem. But when it comes in the examination, we need to consider this point, because generally we are using only simple past. But only in the condition when you wanted to indicate two completed actions at a time, the first completed action is the past perfect, second completed action is the simple past. And you have one more question. I had a pen. What kind of tense it is? Simple past. Why? Had is there, no? But had after no V3 form. Had after no V3 form. So we need to understand that. Only V2 means that is simple past. Had after V3 means that is past perfect. This layer also, this concept also you need to understand clearly. Only V2. I had a pen. Simple past. I have a pen. Simple present. But have or had after, if you have V3, then that is either present perfect or past perfect. Try to understand this concept also. Okay. So now here there is an example. When I went to theatre, they had already sold the tickets. Here two works completed. I went to theatre completed. They had already sold the tickets also completed. Between these two works, which is completed first? Ticket selling is first. Ticket selling is first. That's the reason I used here past perfect, and I reached the theatre is the second completed. That's the reason it is the simple past. So first completed always past perfect, second completed always simple past. Same way, when I reached the railway station, the train had already left the platform. Reached, had already left. First one what? Train left the platform, because if the train hadn't left the platform, I could catch the train. So I haven't caught. So automatically this is a first work, so it is used in past perfect. I reached the railway station is the second work, so it is mentioned in the simple past. So whenever you wanted to speak, or whenever you get in the examination two completed works at a time, please remember first completed work is the past perfect, second completed work is the simple past. And one more thing, once again I am reminding you, I had a pen. It is a simple past tense because there is no V3. I have a pen. It is a simple present tense because there is no V3. So note this point very clearly and try to understand. When we arrived at the conference hall, they had already started the seminar. So already seminar started first. That's the reason past perfect. I reached or arrived at the conference hall, secondary thing. So it is in simple past. So when you wanted to speak, or in the examination, if you receive two completed actions at a time, the first completed action is the past perfect, second completed action is the simple past. Only one completed action is given in the examination. Blindly go for simple past tense. Go for simple past tense, because nowadays we are using only simple past for all the completed works. I hope this is very clear to all of you. Thank you all. Thank you.